Here's a comprehensive guide on how to create a YouTube channel with an AI chat box. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Before adding an AI chat box, you need a YouTube channel. Follow these steps. Sign in with a Google account. Visit YouTube and log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Set up your channel. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings. Click Add or Manage your channels. Choose Create a Channel. Then name your channel and upload a profile picture. Customize it. Add a channel banner, recommended size 2516 by 1440 pixels. Write a description that reflects your content and appeals to viewers. For detailed help, check YouTube's official support page. Step 2. Understand the AI chat box. An AI chat box is an automated tool that interacts with your audience. On YouTube, it could be a chatbot in live chat to answer questions during streams, an AI system to respond to comments, a tool to assist with content creation, e.g. scripts or video ideas. In this guide, we'll focus on adding a chatbot to your live chat and briefly cover AI for content creation. Step 3. Choose AI tools. Here are some tools to integrate an AI chatbox into your channel. For live chat, Nightbot, a free popular chatbot for moderating and automating responses. Streamlabs Cloudbot offers customizable commands and moderation features. Stream Elements Chatbot, easy to set up with YouTube integration. For content creation, optional. ChatGPT, generate video ideas, scripts, or comment responses. InVideo AI or Pictory.ai, create videos from text prompts with visuals and voiceovers. Step 4. Set up a chatbot for live chat. To add an AI chat box to your live streams, pick a tool. Let's use Nightbot as an example. It's free and beginner-friendly. Integrate with YouTube. Go to nightbot.tv and sign in with your YouTube account. Authorize Nightbot to connect to your channel. Customize it. Add commands like hello, e.g. response, hi everyone, welcome to the stream. Set up moderation to filter spam or inappropriate comments. Test it. Start a live stream and type your commands to ensure the bot works. This keeps your audience engaged and your chat manageable. Step 5. Use AI for content creation. Optional. If you want your AI chat box to extend to content, brainstorm ideas. Ask ChatGPT, suggest 5 video ideas for a gaming channel. Write scripts. Input. Write a 2-minute intro script for a tech review video. Generate videos. Use InVideo AI by entering a script. It creates a video with visuals and narration. Always edit AI outputs to match your style and ensure accuracy. Step 6. Keep it authentic. AI is a helper, not a replacement. Personalize. Add your voice or perspective to AI-generated content. Engage. Reply to some comments yourself to connect with viewers. Monitor. Check that the chatbot's responses are helpful and relevant. Step 7. Be ethical. Check facts. AI might give outdated or wrong info. Verify everything. Be honest. If AI heavily shapes your content, consider telling your audience. Stay connected. Don't let automation replace your personal touch. Step 8. Test and improve. Start simple. Add a chatbot to one stream and see how it goes. Listen to viewers. Adjust based on their reactions. Grow. Experiment with more AI tools as you get comfortable. By following these steps, you'll have a YouTube channel with an AI chat box that enhances engagement and efficiency. Start with the basics. Integrate the chatbot and use AI creatively while keeping your unique flair at the heart of your content.